Hey everybody, welcome back. Got another video for you guys today. Today's a special video. I got a tag by another awesome YouTuber, part of a tag that's going around with a lot of the popular channels. Brent from Hydroponic Gardening and More gave me a tag, so the deal is I have to pick my favorite video and then tag 3 more people. So I thought about this a lot over the last couple days, and that is not one easy thing to do because I'm not really a big fan of any of my videos. I'm still learning about editing and trying to do better with camera and then audio stuff. So I mean, like the last 150 videos were all just experiments really, but I guess I guess one of my favorite ones was when I redesigned and rebuilt the entire aquaponics system. I'll say that's my favorite one. That was a good video. Maybe I can throw a clip in there or something. Before I had these 2 huge beds over here, I had a whole bunch of small ones, and there was 16 grow beds, 16 fill lines, and 16 drains. And if one wasn't leaking, then another one was. If one wasn't overfilling because of the roots, then another one was. So I was happy to get rid of those, and now I only have 2 fill lines and 2 drains for the 2 beds. So we'll say that's my favorite video that I've made. And then for shout outs, this is even harder because I'm subscribed to well over 100 channels, and I really like all of them, otherwise I wouldn't even watch them. So this is going to be a hard one. So my first one is going to be Sista Dee. Watch your mouth. She's going to be my first tag. My second one will be let's see, Simply Garden. So Simply Garden and Growing Grass Hobby Farms. All right, so those are my 3. If you guys already got tagged, you don't have to do this, but I challenge you now to pick your favorite video and then tag 3 more people. All right, so if you guys have any questions or comments, pop those in at the bottom. Hit that like button, subscribe, click the bell next to subscribe, and you'll get a notification each time I upload another video. I just got back from the hardware store, so I got some goodies to finish a project over here. I know some of you guys are chomping at the bit to get some more info about that, so I will be revealing that shortly. I'm probably going to work on it tomorrow, but I don't know if I'll get it uploaded or not. We'll just see what happens. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and as always, keep building.